and all. In your previous lecture, you have done the third chapter of mathematics indices. Today, we will start the fourth chapter of mathematics altitude and median. Before starting the practice set 4.1, we will start the definition of altitude and definition of median. First of all, we will try to understand the meaning of altitude and median. First, altitude. Altitude means height. If you have any triangle, the height of the triangle is also called altitude. Altitude is making 90 degree. Altitude is making 90 degree. Altitude is a straight line of a triangle. Suppose you have a one triangle ABC. If you want to draw the altitude of this triangle, we will use the set square. Set square, you people are known the set square. This is called set square. How to adjust set square in our triangle? So student, uh, put up your set square on the base of triangle BC like this, and one line is a straight and passing through the point A. This is the method to set the set square on a triangle and draw the one line perpendicular on base BC. So this is the height also and altitude also. This is the height of triangle ABC and altitude also. Height is called altitude. In a mathematics language, we will call height as a altitude. This is one altitude of a triangle which is based on BC and passing through the A. If in one triangle we have three altitudes, at the most we will draw the three altitudes. This is the first altitude. If you want to draw the second altitude on through the point B, so we will set our set square like this and draw the one straight line perpendicular to the segment AC and making 90 degree. This is called the altitude also. In a one triangle, at the most we will draw the three altitude only. Altitude is making 90 degree. Here we will give the name Q. This is the second altitude. Now one altitude and last third altitude we will draw passing through the point C. We will set our set square like this and draw the one straight line perpendicular to segment AB. This is the third altitude, third height of the triangle. We will give this name as R. So student, this is the way to drawing the altitude in one triangle. In a one triangle, at the most you people will draw the three altitude only. Now point 3, the point of concurrence is called the orthocenter of the triangle. It is denoted by a letter O. Orthocenter. What is the meaning of orthocenter? If three altitude intersect each other at point at a certain point, it is called orthocenter. Orthocenter means three altitude or more than two altitude, the point of concurrence of these three altitude we will call the orthocenter, and orthocenter is always denoted by O. This is the concept of median array altitude. Come to the median. Suppose we have a one triangle. We will give the name of this triangle X, Y, Z. So student, we want to draw the median. Median means a line divided the triangle into two part. It is called median. Median straight नहीं होता है, altitude हमेशा straight होता है. Altitude is always be straight and making 90 degree. Median can't be straight, median slant होता है. So how to draw the median? First of all, if in a triangle at the most three median we can draw. How to draw the median? Suppose we have one base YZ. We will take our more than half of YZ. More than half of YZ. This is the way to drawing the median. I have to take YZ more than half, upper arc and lower arc. we can draw the upper arc and lower arc. Put on y, again upper arc and lower arc. We can get the 2 points. First of all, we will take a one base, take a more than half of that triangle, that base, and one time put on z, upper arc and lower arc, another time put on y, upper arc and lower arc. We will get the 2 point. Now join this 2 point. You know the perpendicular bisector. First of all, we will draw the perpendicular bisector. It is also called a perpendicular bisector. Now ये हमने bisector draw कर दिया. Now we want to draw the median of this base. So first of all, we will give this perpendicular bisector point is A. Now point X and A we can join. So this is called a one median. XA is a one median of triangle XYZ. Hope you people can understood how to draw the median. Now second median we will draw. We will take the more than half of XZ. We will take the more than half of XZ. One time put on X, upper arc and lower arc. Upper arc and lower arc. Arc आपका कहीं पर भी आ सकता है. Now another time put on the another point, upper arc and lower arc. Now again we have 2 points. See student, this arc are not joined, तो we will extend the arc also. आपको बहुत से टाइम ऐसी आर्क मिलेगी जो एक दूसरे को कट नहीं करती है, तो you can extend the arc. Now you people have two certain point. This 2 point you have. Now join this 2 point. Join this 2 point like this with scale. With scale you will draw this join. Draw this line. Now again you people get this point. Give the name. Give the certain name. I will put B. Now joint BY. This is the second median of a triangle. Joint BY. Hope you people can understood how to draw the medians. Now only one median are left. We will take the more than half of XY. Again we will take the more than half of XY. One time put on X, Y, one arc upper side and one arc lower side. Wherever you will get the arc, you just extend the arc and draw your bisector. Now another time put on Y, array X, and again one arc and other arc like this. अगर आपको आर्क के पॉइंट नहीं मिले तो आप आर्क को बड़ा कर सकते हो, एक्सटेंड कर सकते हो. नाउ यू पीपल गेट द 2 पॉइंट्स अपर एंड लोअर पॉइंट. नाउ joint these 2 points with each other. We'll put a scale on this point and draw a one perpendicular bisector of XY like this. Now again you people give this point as a ABC. Now joint CZ. Now joint CZ with the help of scale. So student, this is a way to draw the median. In one triangle we have at the most we will draw 3 median only. How to draw the median? First of all, draw the perpendicular bisector. Now draw the perpendicular bisector, and this bisector can help to draw the median. The point of concurrence. The point of concurrence is called centroid of a triangle. It is denoted by letter G. Point of concurrence in a median, if 3 median can concurrence in a certain point, this point we will called G only, and this point of concurrence is called centroid. एल्टीट्यूड के पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्करेंस को हम ऑर्थोसेंटर बोलते हैं और मीडियन के पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्करेंस को पॉइंट बोलते हैं. ऑर्थोसेंटर कैन बी ऑल डिनोटेड बाय O always and centroid can be denoted by G always. Hope you people can understood the concept of altitude and median. Now on the basis of this we can solve the our practice 4.1. Come to the practice set, which is based on altitude and median. Question number 1 is based on fill in the blanks. Now one figure is given, triangle LMN. In triangle LMN, dash is an altitude. Altitude is always be straight line and 90 degree. So LX is a altitude. LX is an altitude. And dash is a median. Median is always a triangle divided into the two part and it be a slant. So LY is a median. This is the first question. Now come to the second. Draw an acute angle triangle PQR. Draw all of its altitude. Name the point of concurrence as O. First of all, you people want to draw one acute angle triangle. You know the acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle means less than 90 degree. So this is the one acute angle triangle. Whatever measure you want to you will take. I'll give the name PQR. Now draw its altitude. We will set a set square on base QR like this and draw a one straight line passing through the P and perpendicular on base QR having 90 degree. This is an one altitude and give a name as A. Now we want to draw the second altitude passing through the Q. So we will set our set square like this and draw a one line passing through the Q and perpendicular on another segment PQ, which is having also 90 degree. Give a name as B. Now third and last altitude, set your set square like this and draw a one straight line which is perpendicular to PQ and having 90 degree and passing through the point R. This is the third altitude of a triangle PQR. Now point of concurrence as O. So these three altitude are concurrence at a one point as O. So we will give this point as a O and O is our orthocenter. The point of concurrence of an altitude is called orthocenter and which is always denoted by O. Now come to the third question. Draw an obtuse angle triangle STV. Draw its medians and show the centroid. Now obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means more than 90 degree and this triangle having STV name and draw its medians. We have to draw three medians of a triangle STV. Show the centroid. Three median, the point of concurrence of a median is called orthocenter. Is called centroid. The point of concurrence of a median is also always called centroid and it is always denoted by G. So first of all we will draw the one obtuse angle triangle STV. Obtuse angle means more than 90 degree. For drawing this diagram we want we want protector also. First of all we will draw the one obtuse angle triangle STV. Now take a rounder and take a more than half of any base. I will start with base TV. I will take more than half of TV, put on V and take a more than half. One time put on V and draw a upper arc and lower arc and lower arc. Now you people will get 2 points of concurrence. 2 points, 1 point in upper and 1 point in lower. Draw these two arcs with the help of scale like this. Draw a one straight line. I will draw with dotted line because I want to draw the medians. So bisector I will draw with dotted line and medians I will draw one straight line. This is a bisector perpendicular of TV. I will give the name as P. Now I want to draw the median. So I will join point P to S with the help of scale, one straight line, not dotted line, one simple line. So this is the one median. Now similarly we will take the more than half of SV, same as it is. I will draw the another median. Now take your rounder, take a more than half of SV. First time put on V, then draw a upper arc and lower arc, take a more than half of SV, put on V, sketch a upper arc and lower arc properly. Now another time put on S, same, cut these two arc, upper side and lower side. Again you people will get the 2 points, upper side and lower side arc point. Now here you can extend the arc also. If you people will get like arc like this, you can extend it. Now I will extend also, extend the arc. हमको अपनी आर्क को एक्सटेंड करके एक पॉइंट फाइंड आउट करना है. नाउ आई विल गेट पॉइंट हियर एंड हियर विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्केल. With the help of scale, I will again draw a dotted line like this. Hope you people can understand this construction. Construction is very much easy, huh? Now I will give this name as here P, so I will give as a Q. Now draw QT, another median. Second median I have draw QT. Now last median, so again take a more than half of ST, put on T and make upper side arc and lower side arc, upper side arc and lower side arc, upper side arc and lower side arc. Now another time put on S, upper side arc and lower side arc. Now again you people have 2 points, upper side and lower side. Now join these 2 points with the help of scale. Join these 2 points like this. Very properly you people will do the construction on your fair notebook and complete your fair notebook. Now I will give this point as PQR. Now joint QR is joint RY. Joint RY with the help of scale. So this is the 3 medians of a triangle STV. Now the point of concurrence is called centroid and median always denoted by G. So I will give the name of centroid. The meeting point of this medians is called centroid. So the point of centroid is G. I will denote it by G. Centroid. This is the centroid, and centroid I will give the name of this centroid as a G. Hope you people can understand the all 3 question. So first of all, write the question, draw the construction very carefully. If you have any problem, then ask me.